Do you exercise but struggle with nutrition and not see the weight loss results that you want? Hi, everybody. I'm Tammy Becker from Tammy Becker Coaching, and I am a nutritional and health coach that encourages people of all ages, people with disabilities, people in all fitness levels, to encourage them to seek more understanding of health and nutrition, self-care, and mindfulness in their life. Today we are on episode 3 of breaking down the To Be Mindset Nutritional Program and Review, and we are going to be talking about Plate It. First 2 episodes, if you missed them, go back and watch them before you watch this, and then you'll understand what the Plate It means. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell, and make sure you're getting all of my videos every Tuesday. Comments in the comment section. So let's get started. So Plate It, as we talked last week, we were talking about water first, veggies most, proteins, fiber-filled carbs, and then sure, if you want more, you go through the More Sure model again. This week we're breaking down the actual plates. Remember I said no containers, no calorie counting. It's all meals on a ratio portion of your plate. And the very first meal of the day that we're going to talk about is breakfast. So let me get my example here for you. So say this is a plate, your breakfast plate. You're going to notice that I've got 50% protein for breakfast and 50% FFCs, which is your fiber-filled carbs. Now, remember we go to water first for this and drink about 16 ounces of water before your first bite at breakfast. And in the morning, you're going to need 50% protein. That's why it's broken down in this way right here. You got 50% protein and 50% FFCs to give you lasting energy. The veggies are extra credit, and you can accessorize as needed, but you will find that this will get you going through the day and help keep you full and satisfied. Next, we have lunch, and you'll notice that the proportions and things begin to change a little bit for the day. So now we're moving on. Remember, veggies in breakfast were extra credit, and you had protein and you had FFCs for the long-lasting energy. Now we're going into lunch. So here's what it looks like for lunch. Now we're moving into less protein and less carbs because we're moving throughout the day. Now we're getting into more vegetables. So 50% veggies, 25% protein, and 25% fiber-filled carbs. Remember to drink your water first. At least try to get in 16 ounces if you can before your first bite at lunch. This will help keep you full and energized. The vegetables will make you full, the protein keeps you full, and the FFCs give you sustained energy. Again, accessorize as you feel the need to, keeping in mind it's just small amounts. The next meal of the day for Plate It in the To Be Mindset Nutritional Program is an optional snack. You don't have to take the snack, but if you want an optional snack, you can. If you're exercising, we know that we need those extra meals, so snack is included. This is what the breakdown of the snack looks like for the Plate It. So now we've got still our 50% veggies, 25% protein, and 25 FFCs. Again, this is pretty much the exact same breakdown as your lunch, keeping in mind that you want your water first, your veggies most because they make you full, 25% protein keeps you full, and your FFCs give you sustained energy. Sorry, I went out of focus there. And now we move into the last Plate It for the day, which is dinner. And then again, our Plate It and ratios change again. And so here's what it's going to look like for dinner. You're going to have 75% veggies and 25% proteins. You're going to see that your fiber-filled carbs are now out of the picture. If you noticed in the morning you had 50% fiber-filled carbs for breakfast because they sustain your energy. The protein fills you up, and these carbs sustain your energy. Well, in the evening, it's 75% vegetables because they will keep you full, and they will make you full, and the protein will keep you full. But you don't need the carbs at night because you've already made it through the day, so you don't need that sustained energy. So you can actually just eliminate the carbs at dinner time. And boy, has this changed my weight loss goals because I was eating carbs at night. This has changed, and I've learned to eat a lot of things instead of pastas. I've learned to eat a lot of things like spaghetti squash and use that instead of pastas. So that is our plate it. Remember, there's different portions for different meals of the day in the 2B Mindset Nutritional program. So we are now in our third episode. We have 2 episodes left. Next week, we are going to be talking about the scale and the tracker. And then our final week, I'll be telling you what's all included in the 2B Mindset nutritional program and what you can expect and get from using it like I do. So until next week, remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and put any comments below or questions that you would like me to answer about the program. I'd be glad to do so. Check out the description in case I have a link for freebies and get signed up for that. And I will see you next Tuesday on the next episode. God bless.